The topic is sum and difference trigonometric identities. So let's do this example. Use the sum or difference identity to find the exact value of cosine of 15 degrees. So this is the key. We're supposed to use either cosine of x minus 1 minus y or cosine of x plus y. In other words, we need to write cosine of 15 degrees as a cosine of a number of an angle minus another angle, or a cosine of an angle plus another angle, and use the second one. But of course, and we have to use just these angles, 30, 45, 60, 90, because we know the exact value for these angles. So for example, if you try to use the sum, you're going to have a problem, because 30, for example, 30 plus 45 will be 75. So if you have to do cosine of 75, we have no problem. 45 plus 60, you cannot add these two numbers and get 15. Now what about the difference? If you do 45 minus 13, yeah, that will work, right? 45 degrees minus 30 degrees, this will work. Whereas, yeah, that's the only one that will work. Or actually, yeah, you could also do 60 minus 45. Will also work. Well, let's do 45 minus 30 degrees. So we're going to use this identity. So it's going to be cosine of the first, cosine of x means cosine of 45 degrees, times cosine of y means cosine of 30 degrees, plus sine of x means sine of 45, times sine of y means sine of 30 degrees. Now all we have to do, cosine of 45, we know it's 1 square root of 2. Cosine of 30, square root of 3 over 2. Sine of 45 is 1 over square root of 2. Sine of 30 is 1/2. Now all we need to do is add. Multiply first. 1 times square root of 3 is square root of 3. Square root of 2 times 2 is 2 square root of 2. 1 times 1 is 1. Square root of 2 times 2 is 2 square root of 2. Now we have the same denominator, so just add the top. Yep, and this is the exact value for a cosine of 15 degrees. And that's it for this example.